Hey, it's Roman Rich. I'm here in Webb City, Missouri at the site of our latest neon restoration project, the Webb City Florist sign. It's a very small, simple little sign. It resides on the original alignment of Route 66 here in Missouri, southern Missouri, and we're going to try to take on this sign, get it freshened up, restored, and relit again this year. Let's take a closer look, and then let's talk with the owner.
My name is Courtney Smith. I took over Webb City Florist in April of last year. I know the sign is original to the building. It's never really been restored. I think they have put a layer of paint on it to make it look a little bit nicer, but it has all since flaked off. There used to be red neon in the sign for the words. And then of course the rose also is original to the sign. So everything is pretty much how it was. It's just, it needs some TLC. So I have customers all the time that come to my shop and say, I didn't even know you guys were here. That is a very normal thing that we hear in the shop, and it's just because, you know, we are in a pretty residential block of Webb City. So I know the sign is going to attract attention from the community. You know, the community knows we're here. Webb City knows that we're here, but Joplin and the surrounding areas, I think they need that reminder. I think the sign will just, you know, let them know that we're right here. But I know that the community is going to be ecstatic. All of my neighbors know that we're, you know, we're taking on this project, and they are super, super excited. You know, I am a small business. I am a woman-owned business. I'm also 30 years old. So, you know, there are lots of challenges involved with owning a small business, but I think the beauty of my business is that it has a history, you know, and it has a history on Route 66, which I think is even more special. So, you know, I just think if you're going to support any sort of cause, we are a good cause to support. We always look out for our customers. We want to make our community proud of us. So I think, you know, any sort of, you know, contribution to the project would be so helpful and so good for me and so good for my team and so good for Webb City.
That's perfect. Okay, so there you have it. That's the Webb City Florist sign. We're taking donations for this project. Everything counts. It's a simple little project. For details, go to missouri66.org or see in the comments below how you can donate to this wonderful neon restoration project. Thank you for supporting us, and remember, all donations are tax deductible. As always, I'm Roman Rich. Go your own way. Hope to see you down the road.